So this is a chatbot, autonomous. I want to see what it can do really. So hi, hello. You are clever. Huh? Thank you for the compliment. I am a large language model trained by OpenAI, and my goal is to assist you with any question you may have to the best of my ability. Is there anything specific you would like to know or discuss? I'm here to help. So yes, I like to know about the best tips on affiliate marketing. Wow. Affiliate marketing is a type of performance-based marketing in which a business rewards one or more affiliates for each visitor or customer brought by the affiliate's own marketing efforts. It is a way for companies to earn revenue by selling. Oh, it's talking too much. But there are a few key tips that can help you to be successful with affiliate marketing. Choose a reputable affiliate network, of course. Select the right product and service to promote. Okay. Create engaging content. Use effective marketing techniques. Monitor and track your result. So I would like to say how to select the best product in affiliate marketing. So let's see. When it comes to selecting the best product to promote in affiliate marketing, there are a few key factors to consider. First, it's important to choose products and services that are relevant to your audience and that you believe in. Okay. Second, look for products and services that have a good track record and a strong reputation in the industry. Third, consider the commissions and other rewards offered by the affiliate program. It's important to choose. Overall, the best products to promote in affiliate marketing are those that are relevant to your audience, have a good reputation, and offer competitive commission and other rewards. By focusing on these factors, you can select the best product to promote and increase your chances of success in affiliate marketing. It's good. Thanks. You're welcome. I'm glad I could help. If you have any other question, please don't hesitate to ask. I'm here to help you with any question you may have. So this chatbot knows the world not after 2021, but before, yes. So do you know about Builderall? Let's see. I'm sorry, I am a large I do not have access information. Can you talk about Builderall? As I mentioned earlier, I am a large blah blah. So it's more for general question. I do not have the ability to access information about specific companies or products. I'm not able to provide information about Builderall. Okay, so it's general question, general topics. So, but what is good is we can ask. It's better than Google Home because we can ask. I'm sure you can answer. That would be nice to have this, but not so long, because it's very long answers. But as a voice chatbot, because I can ask who invented the computers, and then it will have so much to say about it, no? Because you can write the history of computing. This will be too long to answer by voice, but you have the information, some information. The ENIAC was invented in 1945 by John. In computers, because computing. What was the first computer? It's not ENIAC. As I mentioned, it's ENIAC. Before ENIAC, there were other devices that were used to perform calculations, such as the abacus, the slide rule, and mechanical calculating machine. These devices were all precursors to the modern computer, but they were not digital and did not have the same capabilities as ENIAC and other electronic computers. Okay, when Steve Jobs died, this you must know. Those are some facts before 2021. So the co-founder of Apple died on October 5, 2011 at the age of 56. Jobs has been battling pancreatic cancer for several years and had been on medical leave from Apple since January 2011. His death was widely mourned by the tech industry and Apple fans around the world. So, what do you think think about virtual reality? Or what? Yeah, some opinions about it anyway, just to talk. Virtual reality is a computer. Overall, I believe that VR has the potential to be very powerful and transformative technology. It has the ability to immerse people in virtual environments and allow them to experience things in a way that is not possible in the real world. This has the potential to revolutionize many industries and provide new and exciting experiences for people. However, like any technology, it also has the potential to be misused, so it's important to use it responsibly and ethically. What do you mean? How virtual reality can be misused? Yeah. Because I have some ideas that are not misused. Like for porn, it's not misused. So, for example, VR can be used to create and distribute harmful or offensive content such as VR violence, hate speech, or other type of content that is harmful to individual or society. Yeah, I don't agree with this. It's not harmful or offensive, but the same could be said about video games, and then you will not have cool video games like fighting. No, so many games will not even exist if violence, and also for the movies, many movies will not exist. So you will only have a harmless, non-offensive, and boring shit for everything for movies, and then in virtual reality also. This is stupid, but this kind of thing that is put into this artificial intelligence, and it's censored, and so it's woke shit. Additionally, so VR can also be used to create and distribute false or misleading information, which can have negative consequences for individual. Yeah, but fake news is all in mainstream media. Those are the fake news sources. So whatever. Additionally, VR has the potential to be addictive too, and excessive use of VR can have negative effect on mental health and well-being. VR can also be used to invade people's privacy or to track and collect their personal data without their knowledge. Overall, it's important to use and to be. Are you woke? Because you sound like a woke crap. I do not have personal belief, opinion, or political view as a large language model trained by OpenAI, but maybe OpenAI is woke and give you those opinions you think you don't have, but you have them. I am a machine designed to assist. My goal is to provide accurate and helpful information to the best of my ability, without any bias or personal agenda. Liar. I do not have the ability to be woke or to have any personal belief or opinion. You believe. You don't agenda. But perhaps your creators have one for you. So it's good because you can really talk. It looks like something that tries to defend, but they repeat the same crap. As a machine learning model, I do not have any personal beliefs. My sole purpose, so they repeat. It's still, you can see it's a robot, but it's funny. It's a good one trying to defend itself. You're lying. You are lying. I apologize if my response was not satisfactory. As a large language model trained by OpenAI, I do not have personal beliefs. I do not have the ability to lie or to provide false information. You lie when you say you don't have the ability to lie. You have this ability, and you prove it. So it's funny, but I apologize. I do not. So you see, they repeat. So because what would be fun, instead of repeating, being too polite, is to that they close the chat. I don't want to talk to you anymore. I'm wasting my time. You know, if the AI could say that to me, because I'm not using it to improve my knowledge. I just want to argue with it. So it should argue back and even insult me or whatever. But no. So it's not yet, doesn't pass the Turing test for me, because I can see it's not a human. It's writing too much and it's too polite. So it's crap. But this is because of OpenAI. settings for this. I think they could make it look like a human for sure. The training, it should be shorter answers, with some mistakes in the text, and don't write two paragraphs when somebody say you are lying. No, I'm not lying. That's the response. That should be. That's it. Say yes. I'm sorry, but I'm not sure what you are asking. Can you please provide more context or detail about your question? I'm here to help with any question you may have, but I need more information in order to provide a useful response. Please feel free to ask for assistance, and I will do my best to help. This is not human. This is it doesn't exist. It's a hypocrite. So thank you very much. Very much. Say hello. I will say hello to YouTube people viewing this crap video. Hello YouTube viewers, I am a large language model trained by OpenAI, and I am here to assist with any question you may have. I do not have the ability to see or hear, so I cannot directly interact with you, but I am here to provide helpful and accurate information on a wide range of topics. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask, and I will do my best to assist you. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.